In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two photos together using Gemini, Nano, Banana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your workspace, bring in two images, guide the AI with a clear prompt, and let it do the heavy lifting for a clean, natural blend. First, open your Gemini account. Sign in the way you normally do and make sure you're on the main dashboard where you can start a new task. A stable internet connection and an up-to-date browser will help everything run smoothly. If you're on a mobile device, confirm you're using the official app or a supported browser so the interface looks and behaves as expected. Next, click the plus icon and upload your two photos. This icon is usually easy to spot near the top or bottom of the screen. Select the two images you want to combine. For best results, choose photos with good resolution and consistent lighting or perspective. Matching orientations, both landscape or both portrait, often makes blending more natural. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. If your images are very large, give the system a moment to process them. That's normal. Keep your originals handy in case you want to try a different pairing later. Now, enter your prompt. Type exactly. Combine these two photos into a creative, high-quality image enhancing lighting, shadows, and blending edges naturally. This instruction tells the AI precisely what to do: merge the content, lift the overall quality, and focus on lighting, shadows, and smooth edges so the final image feels seamless. You don't need special syntax. Plain language like this works great. Double-check your spelling and punctuation so the system interprets your request cleanly. Press submit and wait patiently until it generates your results based on your prompt. Processing time can vary depending on your photo sizes and server load, so give it a little room to work. Avoid refreshing the page or navigating away while it's running. If you see a progress indicator, let it reach completion. Should it take longer than expected, verify your connection and simply allow a bit more time. The AI is aligning content, enhancing exposure and shadow detail, and carefully blending transition areas to look natural. And that's it. You opened your Gemini account, uploaded two photos with the plus icon, entered the clear prompt, and submitted it to let Gemini Nano Banana produce a creative, high-quality composite. With these steps, you can quickly turn separate images into a single, polished picture that feels cohesive and professionally blended.